Meaning of cyan. Cyan. Cyan.
Cyan. Cyan. Cyan is a greenish-blue color that is often used in art, design, and printing.
It is known for its calming and soothing effect on the eyes and mind. The name cyan comes from the Greek word kyanos, which means dark blue or blackish blue.
Cyan is often associated with water, nature, and serenity. In printing, cyan is one of the 4 colors used in the CMYK color model, which is used to create full-color prints. Overall, cyan is a versatile and aesthetically pleasing color that has many uses in various fields.